How to use Grok 3. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, make sure you have the latest version of your Twitter or X application. To do so, open your Play Store and then search for X. Now make sure you have the latest version. If there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on the update button and get the latest version. Go back. Now, launch your X application. Here you will find an option of Grok like this. Now the process is very simple. This is basically a AI tool which will help you answer your questions. You will get latest updates, any news. As you can see, here you can find the option like deep search, think and edit image. All you have to do is if you want to add image, tap on the clip icon and you can send the image. So that is basically the general use of Grok 3. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.